Hello, how are you? This is Els coming to you from Bemis Crafty Corner, and I am back because it is once again the first of the month, and that means what? We're going to draw our topic for the month of November. Wow, there's only 4 left. Okay, so the rules are pretty simple. This is the topic for my 12 of 22 journal challenge. That's 12 journals for the year of 2022. So far we've had junk journals, personal choices, animals or pets, boho, a personal choice, a romance, shabby chic, some flowers, locations, outdoor travel, and creepy. So we're looking for November, and for November, you are going to make a single signature sewn-in signature journal, no smaller than 4x6, no larger than 6x9. It can have as few as 3 signatures, but it should not have more than 7 signature pages. And it will be due on December the 3rd. To submit your journal, all you have to do is take a few pictures of it and either post it in my Facebook group, that's Bemis Crafty Corner group on Facebook, or you can email it directly to me at bemiscraftycorner@gmail.com. Either way, all books received before December the 3rd, you will get 1 entry into my end of the year drawing, and of course the end of the year drawing is based on the amount of participation. So more people that play, the better it gets. You cannot go back and do previous ones. It has to be the current month. You can start and stop at any time you want, but it has to be the current month. Okay, so we have a topic, and our topic is kids. So for November, we're going to do a journal that is themed around kids. So it could be a baby book, or a pregnancy book would work too. It could be school books, whatever, but it has to be themed around kids. That's it for this month. These journals will be due by December the 3rd, and that's all I got for you today. So if you're new here and you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that red button for me and subscribe, like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. Then your friends can be my friends, and my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends. And before you know it, we have a giant crafting community. Until I see you again, stay safe. Bye-bye.